Son of a... What's up, my lazy lifers? Today we're going to be working on my girl's rear end. My car's rear end. Alright, so we're just going to put on some cosmetic enhancements today. I'm going to be putting on 3 pieces of carbon fiber. It's going to go right here, cover up this chrome, and then it's going to be on the back of the rear window. It's going to be rear wing spoiler. Sorry, it's going to be a rear window spoiler. And I know some of you guys are going to be talking shit, saying, oh, you know, they don't add speed, they don't add horsepower. I don't give a shit. This is all for looks, I know that, but you know, I like it. It's my thing. If you don't like it, go ahead and click off the channel. I don't. We'll see you later. Alright, so we'll try to make this quick as I can. I'll show you what you need right now. Alright, ready? Alright, these are the pieces right here. You've got the 2 trim pieces and a carbon fiber, and you got the rear wing spoiler here. Now this already has the tape on it, but I suggest do not use it. I'm going to take that off. I'm only using 3M tape. I've tested it out before, and the tape that they give you is horrible. You need a razor blade, some alcohol, and some good clean towels. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this other stuff off. Alright, so we're here. I've got everything cleaned off. I got all the old stuff off, but the one thing I noticed, if you look, I can't know if you can tell, but there's a little indent right here, right? And so the high spots are right here and here on the edges, right? So, but they had tape on the inside here and here. Why, I don't know. But they also have these holes right here. I don't know if that's from the manufacturing process or what. They shouldn't dent up your glass because tempered glass is harder than this plastic will be, right? And hopefully it shouldn't dent it. But I'm gonna put the tape on the outside and up here and down here, okay? So I also have this 3M adhesion promoter. I totally forgot about that, but I'll make sure to put that on there too. So let's go ahead and clean it with alcohol, add the promoter, then add the 3M tape on there, all right? Careful running your hand down there. You're gonna scratch it really well, get a carbon fiber cut. And I don't know how that feels, but I don't want to know. All right, we're back. It's all dried up. Let's go ahead and add this adhesion promoter. All right, you should probably wear some kind of gloves for this. Alright, I think it's dried enough. Let's go ahead and use the little piece first. Here's a pro tip now. Peel the backing while it's on the reel. Peel it while it's on the reel because it's such a pain after it's on there. Son of a... Alright, so I've got them all taped up, ready to go. I've got my pull tabs all out. And now it's time to clean the car. It's only going to be on the window here, so you don't need to get all over the body and everything. All right, let's go ahead and put this on there. I want to make sure my tabs all sticking out. And we're gonna set it. Oh, this tab's not sticking out. And we want it to be right on the edge. That's good there. Should we position this one? Alright. Turn the tabs out. And right there. Okay. Now just pull. Careful. There we go. Pull. I see a little bit of it here, but no one's gonna notice. Alright. Dry fit this one. The most important is to get to the top to cover. Oh shit. You gotta kind of bend it in there, I guess. Alright, let's get that out. There we go. And there we go. Let's do a quick walk around. Now I need carbon fiber wing. I got an undershroud. And yes, I see that. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get that fixed. All right, let's do some final thoughts. All right, final thoughts. What do I think about it? I think it looks really good. It was quick and easy. The pain in the butt was putting all the tape on there. But other than that, it went really well. I'm glad I put it on there. I really like it. And let me know what you guys think in the comments, all right? You can give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe and share if you like this video, all right? I'll see you on the other side. Peace. Lazy life. I'm out.
Next level.
Lazy.
Life for us is
Lazy.
life for us. Static treated, we get drinks. Static says we get drinks. It's
Lazy.
life